means kutta.
E for elephant.
E for elephant.
Elephant means hathi.
Elephant means hathi.
F for fish.
F for fish.
Fish means machli.
Fish means machli.
G for goat.
G for goat.
Goat means bakri.
Goat means bakri.
H for horse.
H for horse.
Horse means ghoda.
Horse means ghoda.
I for ice cream.
I for ice cream.
Ice cream means malai baraf.
Ice cream.
J for jug.
J for jug.
Jug means jug.
Jug means jug.
K for cat.
K for cat.
Cat means patang.
Cat means patang.
L for lion.
L for lion.
Lion means sher.
Lion means deer.
M for mango.
M for mango.
Mango means aam.
Mango means aam.
N for nest.
N for nest.
Nest means ghosla.
Nest means ghosla.
O for orange.
O for orange.
Orange means santra.
Orange means santra.
P for peacock.
P for peacock.
Peacock means more.
Peacock means more.
Q for queen.
Q for queen.
Queen means rani.
Queen means rani.
R for rat.
R for rat.
Rat means chooha.
Rat means chooha.
S for sun.
S for sun.
Sun means suraj.
Sun means suraj.
T for tiger.
T for tiger.
Tiger means bagh.
Tiger means bug.
U for umbrella.
U for umbrella.
Umbrella means chhata.
Umbrella means chhata.
V for van.
V for van.
Van means gaadi.
Van means gaadi.
W for watch.
W for watch.
Watch means gaadi.
Watch means gaadi.
X for Xmas.
X for Xmas.
Xmas means Christmas.
X means Christmas.
Y for yak.
Y for yak.
Yak means yak.
Yak means yak.
Z for zebra.
J for zebra.
Zebra means